Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Top brands Samsung and Apple are in trouble. The new upcoming Xiaomi 17 models are revealed in a hands-on look, with new, awesome details. According to the latest available data, Apple and Samsung are a long way off. Battery capacities and launching details of all Xiaomi 17 models are revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Chinese insiders have revealed new details about the Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro, and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max smartphones, which are scheduled to be unveiled very soon. According to the information received, the base Xiaomi 17 will come with a 7000 mAh battery. It will also feature fast charging, with a power output of 90 watts. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will be equipped with a 6300 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging. In addition to the Xiaomi 17 and 17 Pro, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is expected to be released. This is expected to be the Chinese manufacturer's first smartphone with a 7500 mAh battery. For comparison, the Xiaomi 15 has a 5240 mAh battery, and the Xiaomi 15 Pro has a 6100 mAh battery. This means Xiaomi will once again surpass Apple and Samsung's flagships in both battery capacity and charging speed. As a reminder, the iPhone 17 Pro's maximum charging power reaches 60 watts, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra, according to preliminary data, will only charge at 45 watts. In addition to a larger battery, the Xiaomi 17 series is also expected to receive upgraded internals. The upcoming flagships will be the first to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Xiaomi previously announced that it would drop the number in the name of its flagships, and instead of the Xiaomi 16, it would release the 17th series, in order to directly compete with the new iPhones. It is reported that the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max will stand out from the Galaxy S26 Ultra and other flagships, with an additional screen on the back. It will be used for selfies, displaying a clock face, animated wallpapers, and a battery indicator. It is also reported that the new Xiaomi 17 flagship lineup will launch next week. Weibing says the 17 series will become available in China before October 1. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.